In this video of my 2008 Ford F250 Superduty four-wheel drive, I'm going to replace the right upper outer tie rod end, and I'm also going to change the lower drag link left and right assembly, including the center tube. But the most is, I'm going to show you a different way to get your toe in alignment, the old frame man way, using tram gauges rather than your typical turnstiles. This is specific to a 2008 Ford F250 Super Duty. Applies all the way up to a 450, but only for the four-wheel drive version. Here I have a set of tram gauges. They basically have 3 pointers on them, 2 for the front wheel and 1 for the back wheel. So in the back wheel, you have to set it to the center of the wheel, here, right across. I do it on an axle stand because I don't have a helper, and it has to be touching the rim and right in on the lip. The front wheel has to be the same. In the center of the wheel, the left pointer touches the back of the wheel and the front pointer goes to the front and touches the rim. Once installed this way, you can see the right front pointer on the wheel is touching the edge of the rim just like it is on the back, but the back is touching here. And the front here has 1/8 of an inch. That's 1/8 of an inch toe. This truck calls for 1/16 to 1/8. As you can see, the left front wheel now, after I rotated the lower drag link in one rotation, I gained 1/8 here. And we're touching here. And the caster is perfect. This truck, there's 2 bars on one side and 1 on the other. So you got a left and right tie rod. On the bottom bar goes in a tube. You got to adjust that equally. Match that lower bar to the original bar when you take it out. Otherwise you're going to have a lot more trouble trying to set it up. With this truck, as you set the right toe -1/8 inch and the steering wheel to center together, back and forth till you got it steering wheel centered and -1/8 inch toe. Scary part of this and where people go wrong is the driver's side. So far we set the right side by turning the center tube and the sleeve to center the steering wheel, and next we will go to the left side. Before you go to the left side, make sure the tube and sleeves are tight. We're going to go to the left side and it's way off. That's normal. The left side again, don't adjust the tube, no more of the right side, just the left. You drop the tie rod end out of the knuckle, loosen the bolt on that side of the tube, take and count the turns as you turn it in or out. Put it in and out as you go to make sure it's right, but when that side's 1/8, it doesn't affect the other side. You do it all correctly and till it's -1/8 and it'll all work. You put it back in, torque it all down, and you're done. Now they work together. Every time you put something and put the car back on the ground, do the wheels left and right to center it before you go measuring, otherwise it'll be off. Now that we're all lined up, torque everything underground, under load. The tie rod ends are 85 foot-pounds and the sleeves are 41. Any questions, ask me in the comments, like and follow.